2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA Review. Overview. Subcompact luxury SUVs might be considered the gateway drug to a brand's larger, pricier models. Luxury brands certainly think of subcompacts as an opportunity to distill a brand's performance, quality, and refinement into a pint-sized package that's aspirational but still relatively affordable. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA has served that role since its debut a decade ago, but this second-generation GLA, introduced in 2021, most fully delivers on the Benz premium promise. Where its predecessor rode rough and shifted gears awkwardly, the current GLA benefits from Mercedes' tinkering and now offers the smooth and quiet ride you could expect from Benz's bread-and-butter C-Class sedan. Engine and handling performance are lively in the GLA 250 base trim, if not exactly pulse-raising. But what's sacrificed in performance is gained in class-leading fuel economy. The AMG GLA 35 trim and its 302 horsepower engine, meanwhile, offer a pathway to bigger thrills. The GLA also offers one of the nicest interiors in the class, with high-quality materials and soft touch surfaces. A dash-spanning widescreen display that combines dual 12.3-inch monitors, one for the driver's digital gauges and instruments, one for infotainment, is among the cabin's highlights, along with Mercedes signatures, like the turbine-style air vents and 64-color customizable ambient interior lighting. Only the GLA's cargo capacity comes up short relative to its rivals. Subcompact luxury SUVs are an increasingly competitive class though, and there's no shortage of choices. The BMW X1 and Audi Q3 are the Benz's toughest challengers, both offering more cargo capacity and more athletic handling. The Volvo XC40 is a different, but no less elegant, take on European luxury. The Lexus NX, Jaguar E-Pace, and Cadillac XT4 also deliver budget luxury indulgence. Positives? Refined cabin with impressive fit and finish. Polished ride and handling. Class-leading fuel economy. Considerations. Less cargo space than rivals. Infotainment interface is a little overwhelming. Verdict. The 2025 GLA delivers the polish and poise expected of a Mercedes-Benz in a small, stylish city-sized package. It's an excellent starter Benz. What's new for 2025? For 2025, heated seats moved to the options list for the base trim. Previously they came standard, and appear to be a no-cost option for the all-wheel drive GLA 250. Trims and pricing. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA is available in two trim levels, 250 and AMG 35. The 250 comes standard with front-wheel drive but is available with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system. The AMG 35 is all-wheel drive only and has a more potent powertrain. Of the two trims, we think the GLA 250 will satisfy most buyers. We'll explain why below. 250. The GLA 250 starts at $44,150, including destination fee, and includes standard features such as 18-inch wheels, a power liftgate, heated side mirrors, keyless entry and ignition, automatic dual-zone climate control, synthetic leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, and customizable ambient interior lighting. Tech features include a 10.25-inch driver's display, a 10.25-inch touchscreen screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, satellite radio, 4 USB ports, and a wireless phone charger. Safety tech includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot warning, and an automated self-parking system. The GLA 250 also offers multiple packages and standalone options, including a panoramic sunroof, adjustable suspension, genuine leather upholstery, heated seats, adjustable second-row seats, and a Burmester surround sound system. More safety tech is available in the driver assistance package, which adds adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic alert, and evasive steering assist. More in-car tech comes with the exclusive and Pinnacle packages, which add enhanced navigation, with helpful real-time overlays and icons, a surround view camera, a head-up display, the panoramic sunroof, upgraded LED headlights, and upgraded audio system, among other features. Drivers in cold climates might opt for the heated steering wheel and heated windshield washer jets in the winter heating package, while the AMG Night package enhances the GLA's style with 19-inch wheels, sport seats, and gloss black exterior body trim. With a few well-chosen options, the GLA 250 is the best value for most buyers. Sure, the AMG 35 offers more power and performance. But if those aren't priorities, we like the base GLA 250 with whatever options suit your taste. AMG 35. The AMG 35, $59,200, is the high-performance GLA, with a more powerful engine, standard all-wheel drive, and a sport-tuned suspension. Compared to the base GLA 250, the AMG 35 also adds a sunroof, AMG styling trim, and heated front seats. Engine and performance. The 2025 Mercedes GLA comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, joined to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The engine makes 221 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque in GLA 250 trim, more than the Audi Q3 or Volvo XC40, but less than the BMW X1. Mercedes says the GLA 250 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.8 seconds, an average time for the class. The same engine is massaged for more power in AMG spec, up to 302 HP and 295 lb-ft, and can do the 0 to 60 miles per hour dash in 5.1 seconds. The AMG also gets a sport-tuned suspension for tighter handling. Fuel economy. The Environmental Protection Agency hasn't yet rated the 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 for fuel economy. But the 2024 model benefited from a new electrified mild hybrid powertrain that placed it among the class leaders in efficiency. The front-wheel drive 2024 GLA 250 delivered an estimated 25 mpg city/34 mpg highway/28 mpg combined, on par with the all-wheel drive BMW X1 and Lexus NX 250. All-wheel drive slightly saps efficiency, dropping the GLA to 24-30 seconds mpg city/highway and 27 mpg combined. The high-performance AMG GLA 35 was rated 22/28 mpg and 24 mpg combined. Interior. The Mercedes GLA's quiet interior delivers on the promise made by the three-pointed star on its grille. The front seats are comfortable, well-padded, and power-adjustable. The driver's seat is more than 5 inches higher than that of the Mercedes-Benz A-Class sedan, offering excellent forward visibility. The standard 40/20/40 split folding rear seats can also be upgraded with 5.5 inches of forward or backward slide and adjustable backrest angle. A height-adjustable load floor adds even more versatility to the GLA's 15.4 cubic feet of cargo space. That's adequate, but not nearly as large as what the BMW X1 or Audi Q3 offer, 25.7 cu-foot and 23.7 cu-foot, respectively. But the GLA's maximum space expands to 50.5 cubic feet with the rear seats folded down, also about average for the class. Infotainment and connectivity. The latest GLA infotainment system features a 10.25-inch touchscreen that seamlessly ties in with a separate 10.25-inch digital driver display. The system can be controlled a few different ways, through the console-mounted touchpad, steering wheel thumb pads, voice commands, and the touchscreen itself. This offers plenty of flexibility, but feels needlessly complicated. Voice control works surprisingly well, as the Mercedes MBUX system is programmed to respond to natural, conversational commands. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are also both supported, and many drivers may find those familiar smartphone-based apps easier to use than the embedded navigation. On the other hand, the augmented reality-enabled navigation system puts helpful written identifiers on nearby buildings and points of interest as they appear on the vehicle's displays. The available head-up display also offers a customizable load of information in the driver's field of vision. An upscale Burmeister audio system is available. The rival BMW X1 provides a 10.7-inch curved touchscreen atop its dash, flanked by a 10.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included. Options include a wireless device charger, a head-up display, and a premium Harman Kardon audio system. Safety. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLA has not been evaluated by either the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, or the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. The GLA offers a comprehensive list of modern driver assist systems, with standard features including active brake assist, blind spot warning, crosswind assist, and driver attention monitoring. Options include adaptive cruise control with stop and go, active steering assist, evasive steering assist, active braking assist with cross-traffic functionality, active emergency braking, lane keeping assist, active blind spot assist, and active lane change assist.